clear sinus congestion and soothe persistent coughs with the astonishing power of VICKS VapoRub. But how does it work, and what are the secret VICKS hacks for maximizing its effectiveness? First, let's explore the science behind VICKS VapoRub. This topical ointment contains menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil, each contributing to its potent VICKS benefits. Menthol creates a cooling sensation, tricking your brain into feeling that the airways are opening up. Camphor acts as a mild anesthetic and cough suppressant, while eucalyptus oil soothes irritation and fights inflammation. These ingredients penetrate your skin, unlocking instant sinus relief and making it easier to breathe. Imagine finding out that your grandmother's remedy actually has scientific backing. Let's dive into some proven home remedies using VICKS VapoRub, also known as VICKS hacks, that can instantly alleviate respiratory issues. For immediate sinus relief, try the steam inhalation method. Add a teaspoon of VICKS VapoRub to a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam deeply for about 10 minutes. The menthol vapors help to thin mucus and open up sinuses, providing fast relief. Did you know that applying VICKS VapoRub to your feet could help relieve nighttime coughs? This hack may sound surprising, but VICKS techniques like this are true. Rubbing VICKS on the soles of your feet and covering them with socks before bed can significantly reduce cough intensity due to reflexology points connected to the respiratory system. Maximize your VICKS benefits with some expert VICKS tips. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry before application to improve absorption. Next, consider applying it to your chest, throat, and the soles of your feet simultaneously for combined VICKS benefits. Also, using a warm compress post-application can enhance the ointment's penetration into your skin. You might find it astonishing, but here are some surprising VICKS hacks and VICKS tricks for respiratory health. For instance, applying VICKS behind your ears can help reduce sinus headaches. Additionally, you can create your own DIY VICKS saline solution with water, salt, and a small dab of VICKS VapoRub, which can be used in a neti pot to rinse and clear nasal passages. While VICKS VapoRub is undoubtedly powerful, VICKS tips and precautions are vital. Always avoid applying it on broken or irritated skin to prevent adverse reactions. Never ingest VICKS, and steer clear of using it on children under 2 years old. Remember, VICKS care is crucial. More VICKS doesn't mean better results. As we're keeping pace with the latest developments in respiratory health, it's worth noting that VICKS VapoRub hacks align well with current health market trends emphasizing natural and home-based remedies. With increasing awareness around the benefits of essential oils and traditional remedies, VICKS has found renewed relevance in VICKS health and VICKS well-being. Now, let's keep the conversation going. Have you tried any of these VICKS hacks? Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found these VICKS techniques useful. Make sure to subscribe for more VICKS health insights. Your engagement helps us bring you more VICKS advice and competitive health and fitness solutions rooted in VICKS guides and VICKS secrets.